Mr. Jones is a technician. He is currently inspecting a failed gearbox and needs support of other experts, each of whom has a long journey. It would be easier if everyone could connect to each other immediately from a distance. Remote Expert is a new innovative service from Klüber Lubrication. Microsoft HoloLens 2 industrial solution enables immediate and effective contact between experts and technicians. In your individual responsible position, you will receive expert guidance in real time. Various highly qualified experts from all over the world see what you see and can support you via a mixed reality application with holographic step-by-step instructions. With Remote Expert, we offer you assistance when you need it, because you can quickly access our global experts and resources. For example, to enable the smooth operation of heavily loaded machines in cement production, to call an expert near a port without travel, time and location restrictions, to carry out inspections of hard-to-reach equipment in mining, or to involve several experts for bearing cleaning on a wind turbine. Direct knowledge transfer with interaction ensures high quality, reduced travel requirements and accelerated problem solving, reduce costs, while improving service quality. And you act ecologically sustainably together with us.